Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this border. It's very easy. I'm just going to show you one row, and I am going to show you how to crochet the corner to corner linen stitch. I did this, I don't know, maybe years ago. Yeah, unfortunately, I kept on postponing and I totally forgot. So I thought I did the tutorial, but unfortunately, looks like I didn't. So I will come back to do the tutorial. You can make baby blankets with this stitch. Corner to corner, you can make anything. I made a dishcloth, and as soon as I gathered the yarn, I will come back to show you. Okay, yesterday I did a tutorial on how to crochet this gorgeous stitch. Okay, I do have a comment on one of my followers, I guess. I didn't check if she's a subscriber or not. You're wondering if it bleeds. I had no problem at all. Well, this yarn is from Dollarama, so I haven't tried this. And yeah, so I usually wash my cloth with dark clothes, so if it bleeds, it bleeds. What can you do? But yeah, other than that, I had no problems with Burnett Handicrafter yarn. And if it bleeds, it bleeds. So I made a square. It's tiny compared to this one, but that's okay. So we're going to start doing the border to finish it up. Just like this. I'll show you one more time. We're going to do 3 double crochets, and then we're going to do a picot, and then we're going to do another 3 double crochets on the same spot. And then what we do is we make a single crochet with, there's no chains involved between, we're moving from, oh, I forgot, yeah, and then we do 3 double crochet, picot, and then 3 double crochet. Looks like I did less here, but that's okay. So grab your yarn, and if you're working on a dishcloth, or by all means, this would be perfect. Okay, so I have finished with a single crochet. What you can do is you can go all the way around to make single crochet, double crochets, whichever you like. But I'm not going to do that on this one. Okay, we continue making, turn around, and then we continue crocheting like this. But I don't want to do this. This is, unfortunately, it has a wrong side and a right side. But on the linen, it does not have. So it's reversible, this one, but this one isn't. So I'm going to continue crocheting on the right side. Okay, so what we're going to do is I did 2 chain, and right here on that same spot I'm going to make, this is going to be the corner, so I'm going to make 2 more double crochets just like this, and then I'm going to chain 4. I do 4 on my chain, and then what you do is you make a picot slip stitch. And then on that same spot, we make 3 more double crochets. And this is all to it, nothing different. And yeah, 2 and then 1 more. Okay, so we're going to skip randomly. I'm skipping 3 single crochets. And then I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, and then again, I'm going to skip 3. And then here, right here, I am going to make 3 double crochets. Chain, I do 4, and then I'm going to make a picot slip stitch, and on that same spot I'm going to make 4 more. Yeah, I read your comment. If you're watching this tutorial, I did not have time to reply, so I'm replying it here, but I will try to reply it back. And yeah, I did read your comment, so I released it. Okay, and this is all to it, see? And then again, I skip randomly 3, and then I make a single crochet, and then again I slip, skip 3 right here, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. make a picot, slip stitch, and then on the same spot again make 3. 2, crochet, so it looks like, and then make another. The shape is a little bit different. It's not like a shell. If you look at it, shells are usually round because we make I don't know 8, 9 double crochets, but this way it gives you this pointy look. Yeah, it's different. 3 double crochet, a picot, and then make 3 double crochet. So try to fit in equally, just like this. So we have 3, and then I'm going to come to the corner. Okay, just right here. This is the corner. I'm going to make 3 double crochet. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, make a picot, and then make 3 more double crochet. Okay, so I'm going to continue crocheting. I will pause, and on the background I'm using an old camera, so I can pause on this one. Okay, so I will be right back, and yeah, when you notice when you skip so many, it will tighten, so don't skip that many as you, like I jumped here, but here I want to give that nice corner edge here. Okay, and this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna do 3 more here, I guess. I'm gonna try to fit in so it can be same numbers, and I'll show you one more how to do the corner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have crocheted exactly 3 more right here, and I'm going to do the corner. Okay, so right here is the corner. I know it's a little bit big, but what can we do? So I'm going to make 3 double crochet, picot, with a slip stitch, and then 3 more double crochet. 3, 3, then right here make a single crochet. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and then you just continue crocheting. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I went back to read the comment. It's called, her name is The Vintage Niddle Crafter. She is not my subscriber. That's okay. I hope she will subscribe to my channel. Hi, Nancy, if you're watching. Well, you know what? While I was reading it back, see, I bought these sheets and they're red. And what I did is I bought some towels and they're red. So I noticed the towels and the sheets are bleeding. So what I'm doing is I'm washing with them, and I put vinegar, okay, on the fabric softener area. I put vinegar, and that helps a bit not to bleed. So from now on, because I have this now in my collection, the red, so when I'm washing those sheets and those towels, I will put them in a separate basket, and I will add this to that basket when I'm washing my laundry. So just to give you a tip, yeah, usually what I do is I wash, if something's bleeding, I wash it with the darks. And if it bleeds, it bleeds. They won't be affected, right? The darks won't be affected. So I hope this helps you, answers your question. And yeah, so I will let you guys go. Oops, that's too loose. Or you can watch. It's only 10 minutes. If you want to continue watching, you can watch me. Because I have 2 more corners left. And I really like this stitch. Yeah, I did, what did I do? A fish skin stitch. It reminds me of that, but that one was more difficult. This is very easy, and it goes very fast. So, I really like this stitch. Okay. Just like this. Am I going to buy this yarn again? No way, Jose. I'm not going to buy $1 on my yarn. This is really, compared to Bernat Crafter or any other brands, this isn't good yarn. It splits a lot. And I'm checking 3/3. Yeah. Doing 3 double crochet. Yeah. You try it just to see how it goes, right? The price wise, it's cheaper than others, but yeah, I would watch the sales and then always buy the good quality yarn. Just like that. I'm going up again. 2, 3, 4 picot. Just like this. Okay, I'm gonna let you go now because I'm bending and it's getting hard on me. So beautiful, huh? So I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.